month that in business calculation, you need to have a book and a pen for you to note down the formulas zenye na share. At least itaweza kusaidia pale mbele. So Lily, funga video. Yeah, so ni poa ukikuwa na kitabu ukiandika hizo formula zitakusaidia. So area of a circle is pi r squared, and we said pi unaweza pewa any, unaweza pewa 22/7 or you can be given 3.142 ama 3.14. Area of a rectangle is length times width. Length ni nasemaje? Length kwa Kiswahili sijui ni urefu na upana. Hizo vitu zani confusing. Length urefu, alafu width utaita aje? Ufupi ama ni nini? Alafu width ni hiyo part ndogo hiyo, sema tu part ndogo. Width ndio upana. Okay, thank you. Width, yeah, so length times width. That's the formula of finding the area of rectangle. The area of rectangle, length times width. Area of a square. Area of a square, the formula of finding area of a square is side by side, s times s, or maybe you can say length times length, because the square, all sides are equal. So if one side of the square is 10 centimeter, the other side is 10 centimeter, the other side is 10 centimeter. Yani kunatoshana wote. The area, formula of finding area of triangle is half base times height. Half base times height. That's the formula of finding area of triangle. I will repeat again. I'll repeat again even as I'm trying to share my screen. Formula of finding area of a circle is pi r squared. And pi r squared, that's the formula of finding area of a circle. Area of a rectangle, the formula of finding area of rectangle is length times width. That's the area, the formula of finding area of a rectangle. Area of a square. Area of a square is side times side, or length times length. That's the formula of finding area of a square. And for the triangle is half base times height. Okay. Tutaanza na circle. As I said, is area equals to pi r squared. Pi can either be 22/7 or 3.14. So as you can see the circle, you can see the circle. Then from this point to this point is diameter. Ikifika hapo katikati hii mstari, hiyo ni radius. So the formula is pi r squared. And you can see the formula hivyo. So we go now to question 1. Find the area of a circle with radius of 7 centimeter. They have not given us pi. They have not given us pi. So we will just use any pi. We will just use any pi. But to me, I choose to use pi to be 22/7. So the formula, as I said earlier, will be pi r squared. So pi, as I said earlier, is 22/7. 22/7 times 7 times 7. 22/7 times 7 times 7. When I calculate, I get my answer to be 154 centimeter squared. 154 centimeter square. That's my answer. That's my answer that I get in question 1. Kuna wengine wanaweza decide kutumia 3.142. Wengine wanaweza decide kutumia hiyo. But to me, I choose 22/7. Kama hujapewa pi, tumia any pi. But mostly these questions kama hizi huwa unapewa pi. Wanasema use pi to be 22/7 or use pi to be 3.14. We go now to question 2. Question 2, they're asking, calculate the area of a circle with radius of 14 centimeter. With radius of 14 centimeter. We said, first of all, you start by sharing your formula. The formula is pi r squared. Pi r squared. Then, to me, I've decided to use pi to be 22/7. I've decided to use pi to be 22/7. So 22/7 times 14 times 14. 22/7 times 14 times 14. When I use 22/7 times 14 times 14, this will give me 616 centimeters square. Always remember, anything related to finding area of a circle, of a rectangle, of a square, over anything, the unit must finish with a square. So you should not just leave it at 616 centimeter. No, it should not be that way. It should be 616 centimeter square. Hakikisha umeimaliza na square. Without square, nakwambia utapata hiyo swali wrong. Na kuhakikishia kwamba utapata hiyo swali wrong, utaweza kuipata. Though umepata 616 centimeter, but because umekosa kuweka square pale, watakuronyesha hiyo hesabu yote. We go now to question 3. A circle has a radius of 10 meters. Find its area. Find its area. For this one, I'll use 3.142. I'll use 3.142. I'm deciding to use that to make my work easier. So, as I said, pi is area of a circle is pi r squared. So for this one, 3.142 at times pia unaweza kusema 3.14, si lazima hiyo tu ikuje hapo. You may decide to make it to be 3.14. you may decide to do that. But to me, I've just decided to use 3.142 times 10 times 10. I get my answer to be 314.2. 314.2 meters squared. 314.2 meter square. Are we together? Tuko pamoja? Just want to know because watu wamekuwa wana left wanarudi, wana left wanarudi, sijui issue ni internet ama ni nini. Are we together, Joyce? Elizabeth, are we together? And Ruth ndo sijaona akiwa na hiyo issue. So I want you now to calculate question 4, 5 and 6. Tafadhali tujaribu question 4, 5 and 6. I want to confirm or see if you have understood the three questions, if you have understood this topic, subtopic on area of a circle. So try and calculate question 4, 5 and 6. Asante. Tujaribu sai. Question 4, 5 and 6. And let me read question 4. Kiza kwa makini kama auoni vizuri because of maybe the font. Maybe inaonyesha kidogo. So sikiza kwa makini nikisoma haya maswali. Swali la kwanza, find the area of a circle whose diameter is 20 centimeter. Find the area of a circle whose diameter is 20 centimeter. Find the area of a circle whose diameter is 20 centimeter. Then the next question, which is question 5, is asking, calculate the area of a circle with diameter 28 centimeter. Calculate the area of a circle with a diameter 28 centimeter. Again, I'll repeat, calculate the area of a circle with a diameter 28 centimeter. The last question, find the area of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Find the area of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. For the last time, find the area of a circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. Okay, tuendelee calculate. I'm only seeing two answers. I'm seeing 4 answers from Joshua, Joyce, Francis, and Lily. Where are the rest? Sioni majibu ya watu kama Ruth. I'm not seeing your answer, and Elizabeth, sioni majibu yenyu. Just make an attempt of doing these things. Make an attempt of kufanya hizi. Wacha tukukua observant tu. Make an attempt. Kama unataka kuwa observant, there's no need of you to join unless maybe you are not in a position kama Tony, but tu uko tu hapo tu na follow. There's no need of you just follow the recordings we are shared. Okay. Question 4. Question 4. Question 4. Joyce, explain to us umepata aje jibu yako question 4, Joyce?
Question 4. Find the area of a circle whose diameter is 20 centimeters. So the formula of getting area of a circle is pi r squared. We divide the 20 centimeters by 2 to get the radius, which will be 10 centimeter. So it will be 23. I'll choose to use 3.142. So I'll use 3.142 times 10 times 10 to give us 314.2 centimeters squared.
Yes, thank you. Let us appreciate her. Thank you. We go now to question 5. Question 5, Joshua, explain to us how you have been able to get your answer on question 5.
Okay, question 5 says, calculate the area of a circle with a diameter of 28 centimeters. So, we have the diameter, but not radius. But for us to get the radius, we have to divide the diameter by 2, which is 14 divided by 2. Sorry, 28 divided by 2, you get 14 centimeters radius. So I took 22 over 7 as y times radius of 14 times radius of 14. I got 616 meters squared as the area.
Thank you. Let us appreciate him. Let us appreciate Joshua. Yeah. We go now to the last question, which is question 6. Find the area of a circle, radius 3.5 centimeter. For this number, I want Lily to explain to us question 6.
Question 6, find the area of a circle whose radius 3.5 centimeters. I used pi 3.142 times 3.5 times 3.5. I get 38.48.
Yes, let us appreciate her. Thank you. Now I want us now to go to area. Now we can be able to calculate the area of a rectangle. Area of a rectangle. Oh. Rectangle, square, I hope I've typed it well, and triangle. I hope proficiency high will be able to help us. So area equals to length times width. Length times width. So area, let's say for example, here's the rectangle. You can see the rectangle. Na hii rectangle yao inakaa aje? Hii inakaa hii, sasa wanasema ati from this point to this point ni length. Hapo hii ni jaba hii. Hii inafaa ikuwe ni width, hapa ni length. Because length ni urefu, width ni upana. Anyway, najua vile inakaa. So area equals to length times width. So length is 6 centimeter. Width is 4 centimeter. So when you multiply 6 times 4, we get our answer to be 24 centimeters square. Then for area over square, we said is side times side, or side square, or length times length, or length squared. So the side or the length is 4 centimeters. So when you multiply 4 times 4, we get our answer to be 16 centimeters squared. So the rectangle, triangle is half base times height, half base times height. So base, if we are given base to be 4 centimeter, height to be 6 centimeters, so we take half times 4 times 6. So we'll be able to get our answer to be 12 centimeter. So we try these questions. For example, find the area of a rectangle with length 12 centimeter and width 8 centimeter. So the length is 12 centimeter, width is 8 centimeter. 12 times 8, our answer will be 96 centimeter squared. 96 centimeter squared. That is square. That is question 1. Question 2, we are asked. Question 2, we are asked to calculate the area of a rectangle measure 15 meters by 9 meters. When we calculate that, we'll be able to get our answer to be 135 meter square. So I want you to calculate question 3 and 4. Try question 3 and 4. 3 and 4. Tujaribu 3 and 4. Tuone ngapi. Pata ngapi 3 and 4. Question 3, you are being asked to find the area of a rectangle with the length 20 centimeter and width 6 centimeter. Find the area of a rectangle with the length 20 centimeter and width 6 centimeter. Then question 4, a classroom floor is 9 meter long and 7 meter wide. Calculate is area. Tujaribu hayo maswali mawili. Okay, thank you. I can see answers from Joyce, Elizabeth, Ruth, Francis, Joshua. Okay, Joshua, explain to us how you have been able to get your answer to number 3. Joshua, number 3.
Okay, number 3
Explain to us.
says find the area of a rectangle with length 20 centimeters and width of 6 centimeters. As you know, the area of a rectangle is length times width. So we multiply 20, which is our length, times 6 centimeters, which is our width. We get the area as 120 centimeters squared.
Let us appreciate him. Now, the next question, question 4. Question 4, Ruth, explain to us vile umepata jibu yako question 4. Question 4.
The question says, a classroom floor is 9 meter long and 7 meter wide. We calculate its area. And we know finding the area of a rectangle is length times width, which have been given 9 as the length and 7 as width. Now, when we multiply 9 times 7, we get 63 meters squared.
Thank you. Let us appreciate her. Because of time, we are going to the next part of the question, that is area of squares. I want you to attempt question 9 and 10. Attempt question 9 and 10. Question 9 and 10. I'll copy some of these questions for you people to practice. For you to continue practicing. Question 9 and 10 tujaribu. Yeah, thank you. I see Joyce. I see Francis. I see Lily. I see Ruth. I see Joshua. Thank you. Now, question 9. Question 9, Francis, help us tackling question 9. Francis.
Okay, question 9 inasema find the area of a square with side 6 cm. Area of a square formula yake ni length times length, which is 6 cm times 6 cm, tunapata 36 cm square.
Thank you. Let us appreciate him. We go now to question 10. Question 10. Lily, kindly help us tackle question 10.
Calculate the area of a square with side 12 centimeter. Area is side times side. 12 times 12, you get 144 centimeter squared.
Thank you. Let us appreciate her. We go now to the area questions in relation to area of a square, that is section C. Section C, area of triangles. Find the area of a triangle with the base 10 centimeter and height 8 centimeter. But tutalenga hiyo tukuja hapa kwa 23 and 24. Try 23 and 24. 23 and 24. Try to tackle 23 and 24. Before tuende kwa mixed questions. 23 and 24. Yes, I see answers from Joyce, Francis, Lily, Joshua. Okay, so question 23. Question 23, Joyce, tusaidie question 23. Question 23 tusaidie hapo. Alafu 24, Francis. Go ahead.
Question 23, a triangular garden has a base of 36 meters and height of 18 meters. Find its area. Area is equals to half base times height, which is a half times 36 times 18 to give us 324 square meters.
Let us appreciate then the next question.
Okay, question 24. Find the area of a triangle with base 9 centimeter and height 4 centimeter. Formula ya kutafuta triangle ni half base times height, which is half times 9 times 4, which is tunapata 18 centimeter square.
Let us appreciate him. Thank you so much. I want us now to go to the mixed questions. Mixed questions. We still have about 7 minutes. Now, question 25 is asking which has the larger area. 25. Tackle 25. 25. 26 and 27. Tujaribu hiyo 25, 6 and 27. These mixed questions. Yes, I'm only seeing one of you ndio ameweza kucalculate, sijui wengine wako wapi, and our time is over. So let me just copy paste these questions for you to practice. Let me just copy paste immediately. Haya maswali mawili juu naona time imeisha, time is not on our side. What I'll want you to okay, time is not on our side. Okay. We just copied the question. So I see I'm seeing answers from Joyce and Joshua, but sasa time imeenda, so tupe wengine hiyo time wa pitie hayo maswali, wafanye hizo maswali. Asanteni sana, tuonane jioni. God willing. Thank you.